Many updates to go and talk about, as well as burning your token for an airdrop, which I will show you. The Zora token is live. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. And the first thing is about the Hyperlane token, which I know a lot of you are farming it. And let me know if you are farming it or not down in the comments below. And let's try to reach 120 likes on this video. But with the Hyperlane Foundation, as we see here, they are introducing the Hyperlane, the token hype. They released a Medium article, as we see over here, and I will leave you this Medium article to go and read it all. But it looks like for all of you farmers out there of this Hyperlane token, which a lot of people have done it was a little bit complicated to go and farm it, but a lot of people have done it. It is coming very, very soon. We see here the Hyperlane Foundation, which we know also the Bridge Foundation has been released in the course of the airdrop being announced and being released on TG very, very soon. It's open interpretive network, it empowers developers, so it does talk about it, and here it introduces Hype, a token that will establish an alliance between motivated users of the Hyperlane network. So the token is coming, expect the airdrop very, very soon. Following up, we are talking about the AIG Genesis rollup update, which is one of those airdrop which is given to the Dimension stakers. As you see here, all you gotta do is go over to Discord, and I will leave you their Discord down below. And on the left side, you will see the IOS rollup criteria to go and follow. All you gotta do is put check / and your wallet address. As we see over here, the Discord is over here. So when you go over here, this is the IOS, and you see over here, once you get in and you're verified, you see the IOS roll drop over here. All you gotta do, you gotta go and check the airdrop allocation. So how does it work? You simply click over on check, or simply click over here, check their token, and then / their token allocation. So in case we are looking for example, let's go and put my EVM wallet over here, just because we can go over to say check over here. This is the code dash wallet, and we're good to go, as we see over here, or simply delete that one and put it over here on the address, and you are good to go. You are able to possibility, the OX is the type because it's an EVM. If you have the dimension one, go and do it. And as we see here, you will receive the answer. So if you have the possibility to be confirmed, then congratulations. Otherwise, like me, potentially, I will not be eligible for the airdrop. It does take a little bit to go and do so. As we see here, sorry, there is no allocation for this wallet. So just take a look if you are eligible for the wallet. But as we see here, there were for dimension stakers, which I'm not. You will get a confirmation message, and all in all, you get 12% of the total supply. Following up, a little update over on the Jumper airdrop. Now, within the Jumper airdrop, as I see here, they have teamed up with DGuard VPN. Now, we know the recent issue that they had with the the cyber attack that they did have, and funds were taken out, and now they partner with DGuard, which is very, very nice. And they are also giving out over on Galaxy Quest, which are easy to do. Check if you are a Jumper loyalty pass holders. What is going to happen is going to open up this page, which is where you do have it. And if you are a loyalty pass holder, it is very, very simple. You will see it over here. Reload the page once you have entered it. And if you are, it will turn green. But most of you that have or are farming the Jumper one are going to be eligible for it. Next up, we got mint your NFT subscription over on Linea, which if you click it, it's going to open the same browser that you are doing it. And we have another NFT here, the DGuard NFT over on Linea. You go and mint it, and you will be then eligible to simply like Jupiter tweet, retweet the tweet, and you are good to go. So this is the page. If you want to, make sure to go and do it. Otherwise not. This is not for the Jumper airdrop. However, this is for 2000 VPN NFT worth $10,000. So in total, $10,000 to Jumper loyalty pass holders, as well as getting a 5 XP on your XP over on Jumper. So up to you if you want to go and do it. Talking about the juiciness of this video, we see here that Zora have launched. So it was a little bit of a, invisible launch, and we're going to have the airdrop relatively soon, in my opinion. Here we see the happy launch day. Here are some bugs we're aware of have already fixed. Incorrect USD conversion rate, incorrect default name Zora token, and symbol ZRTK on a number of new posts, slow mint figures updates, mobile web buy and sell bottoms not working. So it does seem that they have released very quietly. They have released their token and nobody knew about it. So it's, as of right now, if you have, if you're going on deck screen and you're looking, for example, at this one, let's go over on deck screen and check it out together. But if you are looking at it, do not buy anything as of right now. Yes, they have tweeted about the launch and that the launch has happened, which means also the airdrop will happen very, very soon. But if we go over here and we look, for example, for the ZRTK, which I believe it's the Zora, or what was it that they have? They did put over here, they tweeted it out. So this is the actual one. ZRTK, yes. So the ZRTK airdrop or the token, as we see over here, this should be the Zora token. Now, if this is the case, as we see here, well, the pair has very liquid liquidity, so it does seem like they have just launched it, but do not buy it. Do not interact with this one. There is no sell bottom. There is no possibility to know whether this is real or not, but it does seem like they, they have launched. Of course, a lot of people could have come out with, a fake one, so make sure to also avoid buying any other one. But it does look like they have launched. And if they did launch, this means the airdrop is coming very, very soon. And how to get even a step ahead over on the airdrop? Well, I would first invite you to go and join me over here on the creator tab over on Zora. If you wish to join, it is a referral program, but it is doing nothing, not even potentially $1 with a few people. So there's not money to be made for me. But if you wish to go and join, make sure to join through right here. And all you gotta do is simply to go and create over here, click on plus, go and create your post. Come and share it over on my Telegram community, over on Telegram, or on Discord, or on the link down below that I do have also a Patreon. Come and share it there, and let's help each other. Well, let's go and, if it's 20 of us, we can go, if we have the funds, of course, to go and mint 20 different, NFTs, so that we do support, which could be one of the criteria. Oh, here we have it. I was just looking at it, and okay, it has just sold. $8 just crushed completely the liquidity, which, I guess if you buy $100, then you basically skyrocket this to $30. But yeah, forget about this. This is, I don't know what's happening, but it literally just happened a minute ago. They have sold. So I guess we're going to be waiting on another Zora airdrop or a Zora update if they say something about it. But this, the sell button seems like it's working, but I do think this is absolutely a fake one. But talking about Zora, come here, upload, create, and you will be potentially have another criteria of eligibility. Aside from, minting the NFT, which we did mint until today, that's one of the main criteria. There could be a criteria also for creation, so we'll leave it down there. If you wish to go and join, you're welcome to. I have a few creation, which I will leave you a link down below. If you want to check them out, go and check them out. Thank you very much. Following up, we do have a claiming, as we see over here, there is an update on the Lamina 1 official open airdrop gates. There's 32.5 LL1 token ready for 65 community members. You have the possibility to go and claim it, and I will leave you the link down below for you to go and claim lamina1.com/home. If you had participated, I didn't participate in this one, so I'm not saying that I have anything, but here you go. Claim your airdrop. Click over here. You have the possibility to go and move forward, or simply click on the image over here, and you have the possibility to go and claim the airdrop. So make sure to go and do it. Following up, also, I wanted to showcase you now the video of Backmoon. You've probably seen this, and as well on Twitter, people are burning Pac, and Backmoon, it's going over here. It is going from Blast to Solana. It's bridging from Blast to Solana for various reasons. But as we see over here, they say if you go to the Backmoon page over here, they say that you need to go and transfer from Backmoon. It will become Army, and you need to go and burn your token in order to receive the same value of token over on Solana. Well, how do we do it? First of all, go over on Army. But if you do have it, this is backmoon.io. You will find the link somewhere in this post. And all you gotta do, there's first one thing that you need to do. If you are staking it, for example, like me over on Wasabi, remember to just redeem them. Go over here, click on redeem, go on earn basically over here. You will see your allocation over here. Click on withdraw, so redeem them, all the WPAC. You will convert them to the PAC token, and you click on continue. You approve over on the wallet. And now you have your PAC token with your wallet, not more with the WPAC. And as we see over here, we will have it with our tokens over here. So we got the PAC token over here, as well as this one, which is 13,000 by the time the MetaMask wallet will go and refresh as well. So we do have 13,000 PAC. Now that we do have them all in our token over here or in our wallet, we go over here to packmoon.io. We connect the wallet, which is the MetaMask wallet over here. We go and click on confirm. And here we're gonna be sending to our Solana address. So all you gotta do is go on your Phantom wallet over here, or whichever other Solana wallet you are using, simply enter your wallet and copy and paste your wallet address from the top over here. We're gonna go and get our Solana wallet. We copy it, we paste it, we confirm it, and we are good to go. Then we're gonna say how much pack you wanna have. This is the full amount. You can simply click over here and edit it, but I will transfer because you need to go and transfer the full amount. As we see here, we got 13,784. We go and we will receive the Army token, which is the same pack token, just called Army on the Solana ecosystem. We click on approve. We're gonna approve the token. Click over here, click on approve. Approving the token, let it just do its things. As we see over here, it is loading. Approve, and then we're gonna be calling over to the burning token. So we're gonna burn the tokens, approve the tokens, burn the tokens, and you are good to go. Now that is burning the token, they will realize and they will send you, here we got it. So we can download this one. We can go and share it as well if you wish. And they are going to go and send you the Army token over on your Solana wallet once it is all done and dusted. So simply click over on share. You can go and paste it over here, and it's gonna go and simply do a post over on Twitter if you wish to. Attach the photo as we see over here, for example, this one over here, this pack one, and we say part of the army, for so to say, hashtag Pacmoon or whatever you want to say. So that's simple as it is. Hashtag Pacmoon, hashtag army, or do whatever. You don't have to write this one over here. You just put whatever you want and you are good to go. Now over here, you have done the possibility to go and do it, share it, and you are good to go and join, download as well as we see over here. And that's it. So once you've done this, they automatically know what's going to happen with your pack, and they're going to send it to the wallet address that you provided over on the burning situation.